Hey friends, welcome back to a new video, kitchen, and home review. In this video, we explore the 20 times saving Amazon kitchen gadgets for faster cooking that make cooking easier, faster, and more organized. Watch till the end to discover accessories that truly upgrade your kitchen experience. If you love Amazon cooking tools, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. So let's start the main video. Rotating oven. The Presto Zero 3434 Pizzazz Plus rotating oven brings fast, crispy, and evenly cooked pizza right to your countertop. Its rotating non-stick tray and dual top and bottom heating elements ensure perfect results every time. No preheating required. Ideal for 12-inch pizzas, snacks, and frozen favorites, it delivers delicious crispiness while using less energy than a traditional oven. With its easy-to-clean design and stylish green and gold finish, this compact pizza oven is a must-have for quick meals, parties, and family movie nights. Cook more and worry less with the Elite Gourmet EG 6203 Extra Deep Electric Skillet. Featuring a large 16 by 13-inch cooking surface and an extra deep 10.5 quart capacity, it's perfect for family meals, stir-fries, stews, and one-pan dishes. The scratch-resistant non-stick coating makes cooking and cleanup easy, while the Easy Pour spout helps drain liquids without mess. A tempered glass vented lid locks in heat and flavor, and the adjustable temperature control lets you cook every meal just right. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for fast, hassle-free cleanup. Meet the Scene Last warming mat for food, designed to keep your meals perfectly warm anytime. With adjustable temperature control and a built-in timer, you can customize the heat for different dishes with ease. This electric food warming mat features fast 10-second heating, making it ideal for parties, buffets, and daily family meals. The included insulating pad and raised feet help protect your table from heat damage while ensuring safe use. Sleek, practical, and efficient. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is perfect for large families or entertaining guests. With its spacious oval design, it easily fits big cuts of meat and family-sized meals. The easy manual controls let you choose low or high cooking settings for stress-free, slow-cooked results. Its durable stainless steel exterior looks great in any kitchen, while the removable stoneware makes serving and cleaning simple. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy delicious home-cooked meals every time. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean. Hollow base design. Food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water. Convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. Upgrade your kitchen with this stainless steel wire cheese slicer, designed for smooth, precise cuts every time. The adjustable handheld design lets you slice cheese thick or thin with ease, perfect for mozzarella, cheddar, Gruyere, and more. Made from durable stainless steel, this premium cheese cutter includes 2 extra replacement wires for long-lasting use. Sharp, sturdy, and easy to handle, it delivers clean slices without crumbling. Ideal for home cooks and cheese lovers, this wire cheese slicer makes prepping cheese faster, easier, and more professional. Take powerful cooking anywhere with the Blackstone 1814 portable flat top griddle grill station. Featuring a 17-inch stainless steel griddle and 12,000 BTUs of propane-powered heat, it delivers fast, even cooking every time. Built heavy-duty yet compact, it's perfect for kitchens, camping, tailgating, and outdoor adventures. Designed for tabletop and countertop use, this sleek black griddle brings professional performance wherever you go. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Your leaky hot pot electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The shabu shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Turn fresh ingredients into delicious snacks with the Kosori Food Dehydrator. With 10 trays and 16.2 square feet of drying space, this 1000W stainless steel machine lets you dry herbs, fruit, meat jerky, and even yogurt with ease. It offers precise temperature control up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit and a 48-hour timer, so you get perfect texture every time. The sleek silver design is durable and easy to use, making healthy homemade snacks simple and satisfying. The Philips Sparkling Water Maker lets you enjoy fresh, fizzy drinks at home in seconds. With a sleek, modern design, this soda maker easily carbonates water using the included 1-liter carbonating bottle. Simply press to control your fizz level and create refreshing seltzer anytime. It's compatible with 60L CO2 carbonators for long-lasting use, CO2 not included. Compact, easy to use, and mess-free. This machine is perfect for anyone who loves sparkling water without the hassle of store-bought bottles. Upgrade your kitchen with the Cosmo COS 63175S 30 inches Vista Collection Range Hood. This sleek stainless steel wall-mounted hood delivers powerful ventilation with 380 CFM airflow to keep your cooking area fresh and smoke-free. Easy touch controls and built-in LED lights make it simple to operate and illuminate your cooktop. Stylish, efficient, and dependable, it's the perfect addition to modern kitchens. Mixing bowls. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate all-in-one mixing bowl set. This 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids has everything you need for mixing, prepping, grating, and serving, all in one stylish khaki design. You'll get 6 different bowl sizes, 7, 4, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, and 1 quart, perfect for everything from tossing salads to whipping batter. Each bowl comes with a tight seal lid to keep your food fresh, plus greater attachments that make slicing and prepping effortless. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls steady while you mix, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or serving guests, this mixing bowl set brings convenience, organization, and style to every cooking experience. Wireless meat thermometer. Perfectly cooked foods. This smart cooking thermometer takes away the guesswork with real-time internal temperature updates, flip reminders, rest indicators, estimated time left, and more. Quad sensors. Get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 3 internal and 1 ambient sensor. Unlimited wireless freedom. Long-range connectivity means you can remotely monitor cooking while chatting with friends and family and still get a perfectly cooked meal. Cooking presets. Get help setting optimal cooking times for various foods with choices for meat, cut, and doneness right on the Chef IQ app, or choose from hundreds of delicious recipes. Protect your protein. Ultra-thin design keeps proteins intact and juices inside for perfectly cooked meat every time. Audible and visual reminders. Hear reminders from the charging hub speaker as well as app notifications to ensure you don't miss a thing. Bring cafe-quality coffee home with the Beverage Barista Express Impress Espresso machine in brushed stainless steel. This all-in-one machine features an integrated conical burr grinder that delivers fresh grounds directly into the portafilter. The Impress Puck system guides dosing and tamping for consistent, mess-free results. With precise temperature control and 15-bar Italian pump pressure, every shot is rich, smooth, and full of flavor. Create silky microfoam with the powerful steam wand and enjoy barista-level espresso made your way every single morning. Vegetable washing bowl. Fruit strainer container with lid. The fruit washing bowl with a strainer features a sealed drainage switch and a hollow mesh design, allowing for quick and thorough cleaning of fruits and vegetables. Quality materials. Fruit strainer made from high-quality PP materials. The fruit drainer container is sturdy, durable, and easy to clean. It helps keep fruits and veggies fresh even at low temperatures, ensuring a healthy, fresh snack anytime. 2-in-1 drain basket. This multifunctional fruit and vegetable washing bowl comes with a built-in 2-in-1 design. The inner drainage tray prevents your fruits and vegetables from sitting in water, helping to preserve their freshness for longer. Make fruit prep effortless with the Schwabiner 3.5-inch apple slicer. This professional-grade tool features 8 super-sharp stainless steel blades that slice and core apples quickly and evenly in one motion. The ergonomic design gives you a comfortable grip, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for snacks, baking, or meal prep, enjoy perfectly cut apples every time. Kitchen utensil holder. Thoughtfully sized, set of 2. Our utensil holder set includes 2 carefully proportioned holders for your kitchen accessories. The larger holder, measuring H7.3 x D6, is designed to comfortably store around 15 spatulas or utensils. The smaller holder, at H5.4 x D3.8, is suited for the organized arrangement of up to 10 sets of flatware. Say hello to a well-organized cooking space. Multifunctional utensil holder. These kitchen utensil holders do more than just store cooking utensils. They also double as elegant vases, offering a stylish home for hair tools like combs, and can seamlessly house coffee pods and stirrers on your bar countertop. Their versatility knows no bounds. Chic modern home decor. Our kitchen utensil organizer features a crisp, modern finish highlighted by vertical ribbed and fluted stripes. This stylish design seamlessly complements any kitchen decor, improving both your culinary efficiency and the overall ambience of your home. Experience fast, powerful grinding with the FoundGo electric grain mill. Featuring a 25,000 revolutions per minute high-speed motor, this commercial-grade grinder turns grains, spices, coffee, herbs, and pepper into ultra-fine powder in seconds. The 300G stainless steel capacity is durable, hygienic, and built for daily use. Designed in a stable standing style with secure operation, it delivers efficiency, precision, and consistent results, perfect for home kitchens or professional use. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Vegetable chopper and spiralizer. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean, save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. 5-star design. The soft-grip TPU handle ensures controlled chopping, while the non-skid rubber base keeps the BPA-free veggie chopper steady on any surface, wet or dry. The built-in catch tray keeps counters clean and mess-free. Slice fruits and vegetables like a pro with the Anatole Commercial Vegetable Slicer. Made from durable stainless steel, this manual cutter lets you adjust thickness from 0 to 0.5 inches for perfect cuts on tomatoes, onions, potatoes, limes, and more. The strong 6 suction cups keep it secure on your countertop while you work, making prep fast, safe, and precise. Great for home kitchens or busy food prep tasks. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Keystone 4-slice digital smart toaster. Featuring a sleek stainless steel design, it comes with a touchscreen and dual control panels for precise toasting. The single-slot option, timer, reheat, and defrost functions make it perfect for bagels, bread, and waffles. Quick, convenient, and stylish, this smart toaster delivers perfectly golden results every time, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Make cooking easier with the Cupid's Arrow 6-in-1 multifunctional kitchen cooking spoon. This handy tool combines an egg yolk separator, grater, masher, colander, skimmer, and scoop. Perfect for everyday meal prep. Made from heat-resistant plastic and sized at 8.86 into 2.75 into 1.79 inches, it's durable and easy to use. Streamline your kitchen tasks with one versatile, space-saving gadget. Simplify meal prep with the Joseph Chop 2-pot plus folding cutting board. Designed with a smart folding hinge, it transforms into a chute for mess-free food transfer. Serve crowd-pleasing meals with the Elite Gourmet EWMSD 325, our Maximatic triple slow cooker buffet server. This versatile set includes 3 2.5-quart dishwasher-safe oval ceramic pots and convenient lid rests, so you can cook different dishes at once and keep them warm on the buffet table. With adjustable temperature controls, it's perfect for entertaining, potlucks, or family dinners. The bold red design adds a pop of color to any kitchen while making meal prep and serving easier than ever. Make fresh, healthy juice at home with the Xen juicer machine. This powerful 500W centrifugal juicer features a wide 3-inch feed chute that easily handles whole fruits and vegetables, so you spend less time prepping. The stainless steel and BPA-free design ensures durability and safe juicing, while the simple assembly makes it easy to clean after use. Perfect for daily smoothies, juices, and more. Enjoy nutrient-rich drinks in minutes. Get delicious homemade frozen treats fast with the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker Machine ICE 70P1. This sleek 2-quart stainless steel unit lets you make ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, or sorbet in about 20 minutes, perfect for family desserts or entertaining. It features an easy-to-read LCD screen with a countdown timer and auto shutoff, multiple speed settings, and a convenient ingredient spout.